Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Siti Nurjana binti Razman. My metro number is TDLS 1F2005.
Assalamualaikum and a good morning. My name is Nadia Nur Atika binti Ramli. My metric number is 30DLS 19F2009.
Hi, my name is Kitna Sivam from DLS 3A. My metric card number is 30DLS19F 2023.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all. My name is Nur Amira binti Muhammad Analuddin. My metric number is 30DLS19F2025. I'm from class DLS 3A. So today I will be present as plaintiff.
Good morning to Chief Justice and Honorable Justice. I take the court. My name is Siti Nurjana binti Razman, Counsel of Respondent Ms. Hani. Today, I will to present as plaintiff at the court at State of Johor. In this case, Hani offered her land at price of 15,000 ringgit to Dani. But Sarah, who happened to her, the offer was interested in buying it. Hani refused to sell her land to Sarah. Sarah claimed that Hani was bound to sell to her.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, Your Honour. May it please the court, my name is Nadia Nur Atika binti Ramli, the senior counsel. My junior counsel is Kirna. We are the counsel for the respondent Hani. This is a case about specific offer made by Hani. Hani offered her land at price of 15,000 ringgit to Dani, but where the plaintiff respondent Sarah, who happened to hear the offer, was interested in buying it. Hani refused to sell her land to Sarah.
Your Honour, whether the contract between Hani and Sarah is valid, void or voidable because Hani did not make any offer. In my opinion, the contract between Hani and Sarah is valid because Hani made a general proposal to everyone. The offer is made to people at large, not to a specific person or specific group of people. In this case, Hani didn't state that the proposal was only for Dani. Therefore, Sarah assumed that Hani was made an offer to everyone. In section 2A, when one person signifies to others his willingness to do or to abstain from doing anything with a view to abstaining the assent of that other to the act or abstinence, she is made a proposal. So Sarah, who happened to hear the offer, come forward and state her willingness and interested in buying that land at price of 15,000 ringgit Malaysia.
Honor, the issue is whether the contract between Hani and Sarah is valid, void or voidable because Hani did not make any offer to Sarah. So the contract between Hani and Sarah is void because Hani made a specific offer to Dani. This is because Hani offered her land to Dani but not to Sarah. According to section 2A, when one person signifies to another his willingness to do or abstain from doing anything with a view of abstaining with the essence of that other to the act or abstinence. Relating to our case, Sarah signifying to Hani her willingness to buy the land, but Hani offered to sell her land to Dani, but not to Sarah.
Honest ladies and gentlemen of the jury, based on case Charlie V. Carbolic Smoke Ball Company Ltd. Y893112B256, offer can be made to the entire world because the contract will only be made with that limited portions of the public who come forward and perform the condition on the fate of the advertisement. Based on related to our case, Hani must offer her land for 15,000 ringgit to Sarah because she made a general offer. It is considered as an offer that made for Sarah. Based on the decision in case Charlie V. Carbolic Smokeball Company Ltd, the court should hold that the contract is valid if Sarah come forward and perform the condition is a general offer.
Your Honour, I wish to review the point made by the plaintiff whether according to Bolton v. Johns 1857 2HF and 564, defendant have a transaction with a dealer named Brocklehurst. It was an order to buy goods to Brocklehurst, but on the day the order is sent, Brocklehurst has already sold his company to the plaintiff. The plaintiff then sent the order goods without notifying the defendant have transferred the ownership of the company. Defendant refused to pay court, decided that the plaintiff is not entitled to receive an offer that is not directed to him. Related to our case, Hani was offered her land to Dani, but Sarah, who happened the offer, was interested in buying the land, but Hani refused it. So the court should hold that the contract is void because Hara is not entitled to receive an offer that is not directed to her.
Your Honours, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, as the conclusion, the contract between Hani and Sarah is valid because Hani made general proposal to everyone. In this case, Hani made offer to everyone, so Sarah came forward and performance the condition. Related to our case based on Section 2A of the Contract Act 1950, Hani was significant to Sarah to offer her land. Related to our case, Hani must offer her land for 15,000 ringgit to Sarah. Because she made a general offer, it is considered as an offer that made for Sarah. Based on the decision in case Khalil V. Carbolic Smokeball Company Ltd, the court should hold that the contract is valid if Sarah come forward and perform. The condition is a general offer. The contract is made general proposal, so Hani should sell her land to Sarah, not Dani.
In conclusion, the contract between Hani and Sarah is void because Hani made a specific proposal to Dani. This is because of Hani offered her land to Dani, not to Sarah. Hani offered her land for 15,000 ringgit only to Dani. Based on Section 2A, Hani did not signify to Sarah. Hani willingness to offer her land to Sarah. Hani does not make a proposal to Sarah. Based on Bolton v. Johns 1857 2HF and 564 case, Hani was offered her land to Dani, but Sarah, who happened the offer, was interested in the land, but Hani refused it. So the court should hold that the contract is void because Sarah is not entitled to receive an offer that is not directed to her. The contract is not made and that is not open Hani to accept for the foregoing reasons. I respectfully request that the court find in favor of respondent where Sarah is not able to sue Hani because Hani is not made an offer to Sarah.